This is Canaan Hot-Melt Extruder. The temperature can be controlled in separate zones. Precision can reach C. Supports different process settings, suitable for hot melt extrusion, as well as mini screw granulation. Can produce various products, also capable of making patches and ointments. Additionally, we can customize based on different customer needs, develop different products. The screw design inside can be configured according to actual product process requirements to create various configurations. In this way, we can use the same machine to test various customer materials to achieve process stability and production consistency. These are the advantages of Canaan Hot-Melt Extruder, the ideal choice for stable processes and efficient production. We sincerely invite you to bring your materials for testing. Looking forward to serving you.